Hello everyone, Birchgrove Play here. As you remember, I said I had a problem with my e-brake, where I had sticking it, and this is the problem. It is sticking on that point where screw is going through. We are gonna take it apart today. That set screw what is sticking is for limiting backlash on pressure sensor or load cell. As you can see that the big spring is providing preload, and I don't want the load cell to be pushed too much on the other side, so I made that set screw to limit. And the main idea is just to drill the hole bigger so it will not touch the set screw and it will move freely and not stick anymore. As you saw, making that hole bigger at home without a vise where to securely mount that piece of metal, it's really hard to hold it in grips. Looking for clearances if that spring will clear out the washer freely. As you later will see, this is too early to tighten this screw, because in a later test I will need to move it freely again to set the zero position. And that is how it looks now. It should not anymore catch. And now we are gonna test it controller settings and set that 0 point just be below actuation starting point. And looks like it is working like supposed. And when I release it, the braking force releases immediately, no more sticking. So now I will test it in a game. And it is looking good. When you release it, it releases momentarily, because previously it was like sticking at 10-15% when you released it, and I needed to push e-brake like forward to release it. And to anyone wondering what's in the black box, there is a small Arduino and a load cell module. Thank you all, and to the next time!